Hey everybody, Anton Creel here from ITPM. Hope you're all doing well today. Coming at you today from a remote beach in southern Thailand. So guys, we got something coming up soon on the YouTube channel. We filmed a webinar in November, last week in November, where we showcased one of our students from the Thailand mentoring program in 2024. We recorded that webinar and we're going to put it on the channel. It's going to go live as a YouTube premiere on December 29th. So it's going to be at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time, New York time, December 29th. So as it goes live, I'm going to be in the live chat as well while I'm on holiday. And you'll be able to chat to me about anything during that session, which will be about an hour on the YouTube channel. So December 29th, 8:30 p.m. EST. I'll be there in the live chat and we're going to be putting out that webinar, which was called Meet John, plus $58,000 in 14 weeks. What I'm going to do is put in the comments under the video and under the description a couple of links. I'll put the results for the 2024 Thailand program, and you'll see that John came second in the group, in my group, making $58,000, over 58, from a $100,000 account in 14 weeks. And also the link for the video, so you'll be able to click on that link, go to the video page, and be able to set a reminder for December 29th at 8:30 p.m. EST. Now, why do we do these interviews, if you want to call them that, or showcases of former students at ITPM? Well, they just help people really understand the journey that the students go on when you come into ITPM and the pathway that you've got to take to be successful here at ITPM in doing well over your mentoring program. So yeah, John does a really good job going through all the trades that he did. You'll see his track record, see everything. And as I say, it's going to be about an hour presentation. And I'll be in the live chat, 8:30 p.m., December 29th. So guys, join us on the channel. It should be fun. You'll get a lot out of it. If you don't see it as the premiere, you can always come back and watch it again. But if you do make it to the premiere, I'll see you there. December 29th, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Should be a good event. See you soon.